Hey, what's up, crypto fans? This is Dwight here with Retro Crypto YouTube channel. Got another video for you guys today. This one's going to be on Hex. This is for my Hexicans. I told you I still was a Hexican. I know you guys thought I fell off the wagon, but I didn't. It's just I got bored. It's time to start looking for other things to keep me busy. But yeah, definitely want to talk about Hex. I want to do some technical analysis. I want to talk about Hedron. I want to talk about ICOSA a little bit and some news, geopolitical news that affects Hex and all crypto markets actually. But before we get started, I need you guys to do me a favor, hit that like button. Each and every one of you, stop and hit that like button for me, all right? Greatly appreciate that. And while you're at it, subscribe. When you subscribe, hit that little bell, and you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. All right. With all that said, I got to do this. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just an ordinary guy out there on the internet with a passion for cryptocurrency. It's essential that you do your own research before making any and all financial decisions. All right, guys. Let's dive right in here. For starters, I want to look at Hex. So let's take a look. Let's take a look here at Hex's chart. You'll see that Hex established. Well, it's established its bottom September 18th. I'm sorry, June. Oh wow, did I say September? By the way, I got my flu shot today, and I'm not feeling the greatest. All right, established the bottom June 17th of 2022, and it's held it relatively this baby blue color here has held it quite well actually, and you'll see that we're still staying above that. Right now, we're sitting at a whopping 0.042 cents, which is not bad because at this point, I consider the bottom really it's really 0.028, but basically 3 cents is the bottom for Hex as of now. Now, depending on where the market goes, if there's another capitulation, a major pullback with Bitcoin, it is what it is. But I also want to talk about that a little bit further in the video with the Fed rate hike today in the United States. All right, let's jump over here to this. All right, with my knockoff market cipher chart that anybody can get for free on Trading View. I always tell you guys this. Let's take a quick peek here. Now we're looking at Hex on a 4-hour chart, and you'll see that we have a blood diamond. We have a blood diamond and the little circle there. This Oof, the sell signal. All right, guys. Yeah, Hex is going to be pulling back, as you can see. These two signals right here, this blood diamond, and then the sell signal. It gets no worse. So right now, Hex does look like it's going to be in the middle of a pullback. If you look at the Cipher B chart here, the yellow stands for the volume. The volume is down. The green here actually is money flow into the crypto market in general, which is a good thing actually. Um, and you'll see that right here. Let me see if I make this a little bit bigger for you guys. Uh, all right, so how can we do this? All right, right here with this little green dot, it was indicating that it was going to be a bit of a rise, and it did. But right here, when that news was released basically today, you can see that right now we're on a spiral down, and until we hit bottom, we'll get a little green dot down there. But yeah, we're definitely on a downward trend, a very strong downward trend for Hex. I don't foresee it going underneath of 3 cents, but anything's possible. But buckle up. Now, if you look at the RSI indicator here, is also indicating the Hex is very oversold right now, which is a good opportunity probably to pick up some Hex, in my opinion. All right, but that's where Hex is. Market Cipher rarely lies, and it's not looking good for Hex right now, guys. The Cipher A and Cipher B chart are both indicating it's a time where people are shorting if they could, which is I don't think nobody can actually short Hex yet, but the day will come. All right, let's jump over here. If we look at the exponential moving average, you'll see that Hex is definitely in the bear zone right there. Okay. Now, if I put this on a daily chart, Hex actually is still technically bullish, but I suspect in the very near future it's going to be dipping down there. But on the 4-hour chart, we're definitely bearish. All right. And since I did that, let's jump back over here. I'm going to put this on the daily chart with the cipher, market cipher, and we'll take a quick peek here. All right. On the daily chart, you see this little, this is the, came up here, boom, it hit the red there. That happened to October 29th, and we've actually been starting to head downward. All right. And Cash flow has been negative. Volume's negative. Yeah, we're pulling back, guys. I have no doubt on that one. All right, so Hex is going to be going down for a little bit. Buckle up, stay Hexican. Don't jump ship. That's all there is to it. Be smart with your money. All right, now we take a peek here at Hedron with Market Cipher, and you'll see there's a short signal there, and that fired off on November 2nd at 12 o'clock to short Hedron. So Hedron's going to be doing a bit of a pullback, and what you can see it is. Hopefully it'll hold right here, which is at 0.00003453, which is not too much further down from where it is now. So hopefully it holds right there. If not, it may drop as low as right here. So we'll see what happens. Hedron could be quite volatile, so it is what it is. And then you got this little band here. Boom, same signal, and yeah, there's no other way I can really put it, guys. It's definitely heading on a downward trend. And the RSI is also indicating oversold for Hedron. And Hedron over here, looking at the 4-hour chart, it is indicating that it is in bearish territory without a question because it is beneath the ribbons. Now, if we put this on a daily chart, oh, wow, we're still bearish. Hedron is bearish, in my opinion, at this point. Hex is trying to hold on. Hedron is entered in bearish territory. Now, I did a little charting here. I was kind of playing around with Hedron, and I kind of came to the conclusion that at the end of the day, on a daily chart, Hedron is still on an uptrend, and hopefully it holds, but only time will tell. We'll probably learn in the very near future if it will hold or not. But it is on uptrend, and it has been on uptrend for quite some time, actually, since early August. So hopefully it can maintain this uptrend. And for those of you that don't know, ICOSA is part of Hedron. How would I say that? ICOSA is the evolution of Hedron. All right. And I just wanted to start charting out ICOSA for you guys also, because if you're staking your Hedron, you're earning ICOSA. I mean, I've been earning it for quite some time. I don't pay any attention to it, but I'm earning it. You know what I mean? All right. So we had a blood diamond and shout off on ICOSA. A lot of blood diamonds today. Ugh. It's a vicious day. So we had a blood diamond shoot off on ICOSA today. And then a bearish continuation. I'm sorry, a sell signal. The small red diamonds are the bearish continuations. Blood diamonds are horrible. And you can see right here where this blue is blank. Because the way this works, maybe I should go into this because I never talk about it. All right, right here is the buy signal. You ride this wave over, and then boom, there's the sell signal. And it kind of goes, it's a really easy chart to read once you understand that. And then the green is a positive flow, money flow into the market, crypto market. Red is negative flow, and then the yellow is the volume. Just so you know what I'm talking about. But as you can see, we are definitely on a downward trend for Hedron with a blood diamond, just like Hex said. And the RSI is also showing that it's oversold. So nothing looks good right now, but it just doesn't look good today because of what the Fed did. So I wouldn't panic, guys. I really wouldn't panic. Don't run off and sell. All right. Just buckle down, hodl, dollar cost average. That's what works best for me. Trying to be a trader, I just lose. So I don't advise it. All right, real quick. The news. Federal Reserve hikes rates as expected will wash lags in monetary policy. Bitcoin rises. So right down here, the U.S. Federal Reserve on Wednesday raised interest rates by 75 basis points. That's 0.75 percentage point to a range of 3.75% to 4.5%, in a move that we widely anticipated by market participants, including Bitcoin traders. Inflation continues to be sticky and high, so rate hikes will continue, but the pace of hiking is set to slow, said Nick Host, vice president of research at ARCA. Any sign of the Fed easing up would be taken as a very bullish short term for the digital assets. So it's quite simple, guys. When they start pulling back for whenever they stop raising the rates, cryptocurrency is going to take off. People ask me all the time at work, when should I get in? When should I get in? I say now, but when they actually slow down the rate hikes, everything's about to take off, guys. All right. And one other article I just thought was a cool one was 38% of U.S. voters will consider candidates' positions. Tongue twister there. 38% of U.S. voters will consider candidates' position on crypto in midterm survey. Roughly a third of eligible voters in the United States will be considering crypto policy positions, when choosing candidates in the 2022 midterm elections, according to a new survey. In the results of the 2029 person survey conducted by Harris Poll between October 6th and 11th, 57% of likely midterm voters say they would be more likely to vote for a political candidate interested in staying informed about cryptocurrencies, while 38% said they would consider positions on crypto policy when voting in the midterms. The survey, initiated by Grayscale Investments, also suggests that the crypto regulation is a bipartisan issue, with 87% of Democratic and 76% of Republican respondents saying they want they want clarity from the U.S. government. Times are changing, guys. Times are changing. We have come a long way from 2017 bull run. All right, guys. That's it for this video. I'm trying to keep them short and sweet these days. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Help a brother out. Please subscribe. Hit that little bell notification so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. I'm trying to keep all my videos dedicated to specific niches. So if I'm talking about Cardano, that video is focused on Cardano. If it's about HEX, it's about HEX. About Zen. I'm sure you get the picture. All right, guys. Until next time. Peace out.